Wow, look at the rain! It's so much fun!
The fields will be happy. Dinner is almost ready.
The rain is pouring down hard today.
It is, but we're cozy here with our tea.
I love rainy days. The splashing is fun. Me too. It's the
Really
best. Come on, let's splash. Yeah, let's go.
Look at them, so happy.
Pure joy, isn't it? Oh, my dears, you're soaked. Come inside, quickly.
It's so cold, Mama. My dress is all wet.
Shh, it's okay now. You're safe with me.
I'll get some towels.
Here, you two must be soaked. Let's get you warm by the fire.